Hey guys, welcome back to Dacey's Garage. So in today's episode what we're going to do is we're going to do a review of Autoglym's bumper and trim gel. So I've not actually used this stuff in a very long time, so I'm wondering whether they're going to have changed the formula any, but I always remember it being really good. What we're going to do is on the focus, so you'll all remember this bit if you've seen my video on the Maguire's trim restorer. So what we're going to do is we're going to try it on the same two bits of plastic and see how it does. If anybody from Autoglym is watching this, why do you put such incredibly tight seals on the top of the bottles? It's an absolute nightmare to get off. So anyway, what I'm going to do, give the bottle a shake. And then we'll quite simply, as always, clean microfiber towel. And ooh, interesting, they've changed the colour of it. It used to be green. Oh, cool. Alright, so take some of that. We're going to apply it to the panel. Well, yeah, not bad at all. Take a bit more. Look, it's lifted off some dirt as well, which is pretty decent. So I'm going to take another splosh of it. Ooh, neighbour's child sound like they just fell off a swing. Wow. That stuff's pretty good, quite liking it so far. Already I'm more impressed than Maguire's trim restorer. Just remove any excess, get rid of the sheen. Oh yeah, I like that stuff. Right, let's move to a different part of the car, try it again. Right, so now we're at the front of the car with this super tricky bit to do here. So just putting small amount on the cloth this time, don't want too much. So it kind of did well and it kind of didn't. These ones here did a brilliant job. These ones, I think it's just too rough a surface for it to make a decent impact on it. Jury's out at the moment, boys and girls. Tell you what, we'll change to a different area and try again. Right, so this piece of the ST has always irritated me. This bit of plastic here. So we'll try it on that first because it is really faded. You notice in the areas where the sun doesn't hit, this bit down here, it's nowhere near as badly faded, but this up here that gets full sunlight all the time, it's quite heavily faded. So what we'll do is we'll start off in the corner, see how it does with that bit. So in the non-faded plastic it's done a great job. Wow, that stuff's amazing. I'm really super impressed. Super impressed. I mean, look at the difference between this bit. Come on, finger, focus. Nope. Yeah, look at the difference between this bit and this bit. It's just insane. Really impressed. So, we'll move on a wee bit and we'll do up to this one here, and then I'll finish the rest of the panel and we'll take another look. So we're just going to remove all the excess off the plastics. How about that? That looks really, really good. Really, really good. Super impressed. So one thing that I noticed when I was starting on this front bumper bit, or sorry, the front grille, is watch how good it is. So you can see a lot of polish overrun here. Now the Maguire's trim restore that we used did not deal with that very well at all. But watch how well the Autoglym stuff basically hides it. I don't think it's actually removing it, but look at how well it hides it. I mean, look at that. That's incredible. So this part of the video might get a little shaky because I'm holding the camera by hand, as you can see. But when I did the Maguire's trim restore video, I did this bit here. Now you can see that was only probably a couple of months ago, and the trim restore's worn off already, so it's back down to faded plastic. So we're going to try it again with the Autoglym bumper restore, stuff, and see how it fares. Then we'll get a cleaner, drier part of the cloth and just remove the shine off it. I mean, look at that. That is just awesome. Right, let's get you back on the tripod just quickly. So, what do I think of Autoglym's bumper and trim gel? Absolutely amazing. Genuinely can't rate that product enough. It's absolutely phenomenal. It did way better than the Maguire's trim restorer did. It's left a much nicer finish than the other stuff. I can't remember what the name of it was off the top of my head now. But it did a much better job than that as well. Highly, highly recommend this product. That is awesome. Not 100% sure if you can get it in the US. It is a British company, a British manufacturer as well. So if you're in the UK, guys, which I know a few of you are, definitely worth buying some of that. You will not regret it, I guarantee. So with that being said, guys, that's the end of this review video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you again fairly soon for another video. Peace.